Mandarmani. It's a very common travel location for the people of Bengal and Orissa. But we will be traveling there in a unique way. Hello guys, we boarded this train from Santragachi Junction and we are in the engine of this EMU local train. So friends, please don't ask me about the permissions and all. No one is allowed in the engine of Indian Railway in any part of the country until and unless you know someone personally working in Indian Railways and in some specific designations. So guys, we'll be traveling like this till Digha and from there we'll be availing local vehicle till Mandarmani. So right now we are about to cross Kolkata bridge. So this bridge is basically over Roopnarayan river and we all know that this river bank is famous for picnic spot. Earlier the speed limit of this bridge used to be 20 kilometers per hour for any train, but now I don't think there is any speed limit. And friends, you can see the bridge crossing view from the motorman's cab is just amazing. So here is a screen where I can monitor the cameras placed in the compartments. So this entire cab is basically air conditioned and I just found somewhere it was written that this entire train is designed by Medha Servo Drives Private Limited. I believe that this is a very unique experience while you are traveling in front of a train and you get a complete different angle of a train journey. So basically you are the first one who can see the endless track and you are the first one who can see the coming destinations also. So really it's an amazing experience. Whatever we drive car, we drive bike, Audi, BMW, Mercedes, whatever you guys drive. But one thing is true that only few people get a chance, get a eligibility to drive this beast, weighing more than 500 tons and 200-meter long, with more than 2 to 3,000 passengers. And every second you must stay alert. So finally we are about to reach Digha. This is the station. And from here we will be traveling to Mandarmani by any public vehicle. Since this is a pandemic time, that's why we can see that the station is not overcrowded. It's a one-day trip guys, it's a weekend plan. And now we are about to do lots of fun activities in Mandarmani. So as I said earlier that Mandarmani is very common location. Even though we know that Mandarmani is so common, we will find out that why people loves to come here. Is it only just because of beach? Here the vibes and mood of people completely changes. Here you can show off your fucking expensive sunglasses.
A few moments later.
हम रोज 50 से ज्यादा नए सनग्लासेस देख रहे हैं। 80 से 90% सनग्लासेस पानी के तेज बहाव के कारण खो जाते हैं। महीने में करीब 1000। ये है ब्योमकेश की कहानी।
मेरा नाम ब्योमकेश है। मैं 2500 रुपए का सनग्लास 20 मिनट पहना था, फिर पानी के तेज बहाव और मेरे कमीने दोस्तों के कारण मेरा सनग्लास गुम हो गया। शायद मैं इसके आगे बोल नहीं सकूंगा।
अफसोस हम ब्योमकेश के सनग्लासेस ढूंढ नहीं पाए और वो सिर्फ 20 मिनट पहना था।
2000 years later.
Apart from this, you can do these kind of stuffs, pretending yourself in Thailand or Dubai.
मजा आया।
Hashtag beach vibes, hashtag Mandarmani vibes, hashtag fun moments, hashtag wanderlust, hashtag offbeat locations. And in the evening, you can just blast your stress like this. Tinder. And you can enjoy Sham ki karak chai, followed by some seafood. And it's completely a couple friendly destination. So that's it guys. If you guys love the video, please do like and share with your friends. Subscribe to my channel and I will be coming up with more vlogs, more videos and more fun moments. Till that time, take care and stay safe.